Hello traders, welcome back to another edition of the Market Preview. My name is Vasily, I am your trading coach and professional forex trader. For today's weekly edition I prepared for you a full breakdown of a currency pair. So here we will discuss all the steps that are required to properly analyze the financial instrument. We will discuss the higher time frame analysis, lower time frame analysis. We will discuss how to identify the potential scenarios for next week. How do we actually trade these scenarios? This lesson will be very important for you because I show you all the routine that you need to master to properly analyze each and every financial instrument in your watch list. Pay attention to details, it is very important, and also please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a lovely comment. Let's start. Alright, so for today's breakdown I have selected Euro-Yen pair. On the Euro-Yen pair we will execute the multi-time frame analysis, and as always with the multi-time frame analysis we start with the daily chart. Why daily chart? The main thing about daily chart, it gives you the relatively long-term perspective and relatively long-term price action of the financial instrument. So here, for example, just opening the daily, we have our time horizon during the entire year from start of 2020. So we can see where the market is going, we can identify the market trend, and we can identify the main key levels that the price has respected this year. Yes, it will help us to make predictions and it will help us to identify the points from where we can trade it. So let's start with the identification of the market trend. Let's just analyze the daily from the price action perspective and let's try to get where the market is going. And I think quite obviously, just looking at the chart like that, we can derive that the market is bullish. Why? Because here, let's just first of all take that point. This point right here is the low of this year. Yes, you can see that it is just the lowest point that the price reached this year. Yes, and after the price reached that point, we started to grow. We had quite strong bullish impulse, and with this bullish impulse we have violated multiple highs of the beginning of the year. Yes, and we reached that point. And from that point we finally saw the first retracement, the first correctional movement, right? So here the price set the high low. Yes, and after that high low, what happened? The price started to grow again. Yes, the price started to grow again, and we saw a new high close, right? So again, just based on this price action, just based on these two bullish impulses and the retracement leg, we already can say that the trend is bullish. Yes, it is just our classic price action rule that we rely on. And right now, after the price reached that structure high, we retraced again. And here, what happened again? High low again. Yes, new high low over here. And after that, the price started to grow. So you can see that we have identified the market trend on the Euro-Yen. On the Euro-Yen, the trend is bullish, and it means that in the long run, bullish continuation here will be expected, and at some moment, most likely, the price will start growing and we will see the continuation to new highs on a daily. Then it is very important for us to get where the price is standing right now and identify the key levels. So now let's answer just the simple question, where the price is standing right now. So let's just zoom the chart, let's just zoom it, and let's try to get where are we standing right now. As you can see, the price just recently reached that level over here. And if we look left at structure, you can see that right now the price is testing current structure high. Yes, so definitely current structure high serves as the strong resistance. Why? Because in the past we saw a strong bearish reaction from that, and for a quite long period of time the market turned bearish once it reached that level. So definitely we can expect the bearish reaction from that level again. But remember, here, as we just discussed, the trend is bullish. The market is very bullish. So though we can expect here a pullback, we won't expect the market reversal. Yes, here we'll talk about the minor reaction and then most probable bullish continuation to the upside. Yes, so this is why it is so important for us to analyze the trend. Yes, because with the trend we know right now that most likely new higher close on euro yen will be set soon, so we can just expect a minor pullback right here. And if we see a pullback, where the market will go in case of a pullback, the market will go to the closest structure. Yes, to the closest structure. So just let's remove all these arrows and just identify where can be our closest structure. And we identify the closest structure just based on the price fluctuations in the past, just recent price fluctuations. And as you can see right here, we have very strong structure shelf. Yes, very strong area of support. Yes, so in case if this area right here is respected, if the high is respected, we will expect the pullback just to this point. Yes. And if you want to learn more and if you're looking for a premium education, I want to invite you in my premium educational group. There I show you how I trade live, there I execute the analysis live during the live streams, and there I teach you how I manage my trading positions. It will be a very good practical lesson for you, and if you already know the basics, and if you know the basics of the price action structure, and you just don't know how to apply all that properly, I will show you the way how I do that. All the links are in the description below. Alright, once we identified our goal for sellers and once we know where can be our goal in case of a pullback from that key level, we also need to identify the goal for buyers in case of a bullish violation of that major structure. Yes, so as we just discussed, the trend here is bullish, so the chances are high that we will see a bullish continuation and new higher close. So let's identify the next goal for buyers. To identify the next goal for buyers, we will simply analyze the structure on the left. As you can see, for a quite long period of time we haven't been testing these levels, so we need to go back to 2017-2018 to identify the next strong structure. And here I want to focus your attention that here this horizontal line is our current price level. Yes, so we are looking for a next level that was respected by the market in the past, and that can be the next goal for buyers. And here I want to show you this level over here. Look, why this level is important. As you can see, in 2017 we had very strong reaction from that level. The price clearly bounced from that level and we saw a strong bullish continuation to much higher levels. Then in 2018 as well, you can see we had nice price fluctuations right here. In 2018 again over here, you can see how many times the price bounced from that level. And in 2019, very strong bearish rally started from that level. So I guess this level somewhere around 127.5 can be our next goal in case of a bullish continuation. So let's return back to our daily chart. Yes, let's go back to our recent price action, and you can see now we have our goal for sellers in case of a pullback, and now we have our goal for buyers, the closest goal for buyers in case of a bullish continuation. Now with the lower time frame analysis, we will discuss how we will trade these scenarios, because for now it is not clear what will happen. Yes, we cannot say based on current price action what will happen next week. So lower time frame analysis will help us to make the prediction and will help us to actually have the exact trading plan for next week. For lower time frame analysis, we will apply 4-hour chart. On a 4-hour chart, we will simply analyze the price action again, and we will try to get the clues, and we will try to get the reaction of the market on the level where it is standing right now. For that, let's just remove everything. Yes, remove all the boxes and lines right here, and let's follow the price action again. So here was our massive strong bullish impulse. Yes, and once the price reached our structure high, yes, we saw the retracement. The price retraced, and here we have our high low. Yes, we have our high low, and after that the price retested the high. The price retested the high, and here we see the equal high. Yes, and after that the price dropped. So what do we have with you right now on the 4-hour? On the 4-hour right now we have a sideways market in consolidation. Why? Because for now the price is not setting new higher highs, it's not setting new lower lows, it is trading in this horizontal trading range. What we know about this horizontal trading ranges is that the price can trade within them for a very long period of time. For many hours, for many days, the price can be stuck in this decision range. And why it happens? Market participants are looking for some trigger. Buyers are looking for a new reason to start buying, and sellers are looking for a reason to go against the trend. So market participants are looking for some fundamental news, for some fundamental data, for something that will clarify the future situation. And until this data is absent, they are afraid to open their trading positions. Yes, so for us then the best strategy is to wait. Yes, and our trigger that something is clarified will be the breakout of that trading range. Yes, and the breakout can be to the upside or to the downside. In case of a bullish breakout of this trading range, it will be a very bullish signal for us, and then the price will most likely go all the way up to our next goal that we identified on a daily. And in case of the bearish breakout, in case of the 4-hour candle close below our current local support, then the price will most likely go all the way down to the goal that we identified on a daily. So as you can see right now, we are just speculating about future on euro yen. We are saying that if one of these conditions is met, then we will see the following reaction. Yes, so for now we are just preparing, and for you it is very important to learn to always be prepared for everything. So you can see that we are preparing here for both bullish and bearish. And 99% of the traders, when they analyze, they say it's like 100% only bearish. Yes, and it just can't be bullish. No, what we are trying to do, we are trying to see both scenarios. Yes, we are trying to understand the logic of buyers, and we are trying to understand the logic of sellers, and then we are just trying to follow. Yes, and then we will just follow them. Alright traders, I guess the process here was quite straightforward, and I must admit that it takes time for you to actually master that. Yes, so each and every morning when you analyze your watch list, just follow these steps, and with time you will see how efficient and how accurate this approach is. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave a lovely comment. Also, the info about the premium group in the description below, so check that as well. Thank you so much and good luck.